5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meanwhile, at the crack house in the forest.
Better.
Drop the gun now.
Oh! Yeah, get some! Holy shit, that was awesome!
Oh, you killed everybody.
Get down and show me your hands.
Yeah! Oh my god, I want an M4 so bad now. This is just gonna be me laughing at everybody. I can't say shit, I'm laughing so hard.
Roger that.
Oh shit, I can't say for real, I'm laughing so hard. Oh, Patrick, where you at?
He's dead.
Oh, you're dead?
No, he's down.
Oh.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. Hands up.
Don't touch me.
Police, hands up.
No, get away. My hands are
Hands
up.
up above your head.
Stay the fuck away from me.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to arrest this dude.
Don't move.
I just want to go home.
Civilian is secured.
Go back to the living room. Let's see. Did you arrest that lady? Nope, she's.
Hands up above your head.
Shit. Fuck.
Hands up
Shit.
now.
Shit.
Don't move. Stay put.
All done. Contact is secure.
Wait, you're not serious, right?
Alright, I got the herpes hippie downstairs locked
Hey, don't
up.
worry. Everything's gonna be fine. You're safe now.
Civilian is secured.
Roger that. Medical.
Are there any more of those people around?
Hey, it's nothing
Where
personal,
you at,
buddy.
Patrick?
Basement's
Suspect
clear.
is breathing but unconscious.
Roger that. Medical.
Oh, this guy's just.
Suspect is breathing but unconscious.
Copy. EMT.
How is he breathing? I perforated him like a document.
We've got a dead suspect here.
Copy that, entry team. Note.
Did you go upstairs?
Nope, I'm still first floor. I've got my laser on.
All right.
Tell me that's not more of them.
I see it. I see you. I'm coming into the hallway. Where'd you get? There you are. Okay.
All right.
Did you get these people? All right, cool.
Hands up. Drop to your knees.
All right, first floor bathroom looks. Oh, I'm glitching through the door again. These dudes. All right, you got the basement, right? You said that was clear?
Yep. Just got to go up, I think.
All right, moving upstairs.
Suspect is bleeding out. Needs medical aid.
Copy. Clean house.
We've got a dead suspect.
Roger that, entry team. Tag.
Somebody
Hands in the
fucking
air.
help
Hands
me.
up. Get
You
down.
calm
I want to see hands.
Don't shoot.
Drop the gun. Don't make me shoot you.
All right. This lady pulled a gun on me.
Suspect killed.
Need medics ASAP.
Hold on, you see my light?
Are you serious?
'Cause I just ghosted this dude. He came out shooting.
Relax.
So
Uh-huh.
Police, hands in the air.
I'm glad I didn't kill the civilian because that would have been
Fucking
ugly.
shit.
Hey, kid, come on. You get to wear handcuffs. That's pretty cool.
Roger, entry team.
Oh, I see your light. You see mine? Whee! Okay.
Yeah.
I don't
Hands up.
wanna
Do it
be
now.
here.
Evidence reloading. Come on.
Arms outstretched.
Come to. Alright. Did we clear everything?
Just doing my
Oh, we
job.
got all the
sir.
bad guys. We just gotta get
Great
the
work,
civilians. The door back here. Gonna kick it open.
Hands where I can see them.
I'll get out on my own.
Cam light out. Down on your knees. Down on your
Can
knees.
you at least let me sit down? Are there any more of those people around?
Civilian secured. Ready for pickup.
Roger, entry team.
Is clear. Oh, I'm wondering why my guy is moving slow, and it's because I've been shot in the leg.
Yep.
Zipped up and
All
ready
right,
to
I
go.
think all the rooms are clear essentially. Everybody's called in, right?
Yep.
Great work, entry
Ah,
team.
nice job. All right, go team.
I think we're good.
Page up, bitches.
Copy that.
Down, down, down. Let's see if we get a better score this time.
Mm-hmm.
A B? What?
We didn't get all the evidence.
Oh no. We missed a lot of the evidence.
Yep.
Yeah, that'll do it.